keeping this for my daughter to house all of her craft things, because currently they're just in baskets all over the floor and I can't look at it anymore. It's driving me crazy. Maybe, you know, you have a small dresser like this at home that you can follow these techniques and do yourself. Or maybe you just enjoy watching other people do the crazy things like sanding and cleaning and painting. So if you're one of those people, you'll enjoy this video. If you're a flipper, I hope you enjoy this video. I have some leftover pulls from another flip that I did. It's going to be a swish craft cabinet. Just so happened to have 3 left over, so I'm going to do that. So we're going to close up the holes, and I want to sand back to bare wood. When I bought this, it was painted another colour, and then I painted it white. Bad choice right there. It has been drawn upon, it's dirty, it's, you know, not a great colour choice. Anyway, so I'm going to sand back to bare wood and see what it looks like. And that is going to dictate a lot of what I do. Let's get to it. Okay, first we want to remove the hardware. So this joint obviously has been pulled out. Ooh, and I just pulled it all the way. So we're going to glue that and clamp it. Oh. Who saw that coming? Why? You bored? I am not doing that to these. I'm just going to scuff these up and I'm going to paint over it. But this, I'm so glad I sanded it back. Alright. Good, good, good. I'm going to be staining the top in Minwax, and it's weathered oak. Oh yes, I do like this. It has like a grey tinge to it. Weathered oak. I'm using my mouse sander. I just stuck an orbital pad on it because why not? I got this from Lowe's for about $44. And this is a chalk paint, the white. And I'm painting with a chalk paint over it, so you know, it's not gonna have adhesion issues. I am gonna remove that. It's cute, it's a look. It's not the look I want for it. I have an idea in mind for the base rather than explain it to you and totally confuse you. I'm just gonna take this off and do it. But I've just discovered that this is rounded here and this is not. There's about an inch difference that I want to cut off. So on the other side. I'm going to be painting all of that in 60 Bells Vintage Duck Egg. Such a pretty color. foliage, it's incredible. Bring in for a closer look on the second drawer. Okie dokie, so everything is dry and I'm going in with my Minwax polycrylic in clear matte. So you just dip it just a smidge, you don't need a lot, just a tidgy bit, and now, yeah, okay, but you want to do it not being shy about it, you get in there, because you want it to cover it. Yeah, there you go. Well, you did a good job. Say it again to me. I do.
I've never seen this.
I am almost done. I have done the recoats of the sealer on the top. It feels amazing. You'll see it in a minute. It looks amazing. Got the hardware on. The legs have finally arrived. This is what I've landed on. So I don't want them in black. They were on sale, got them at Amazon. I'm going to paint them in the same color as the body of the piece, vintage duck egg. I'm going to paint those. Once those are dry, I will top coat this as well, and then we'll attach them.
So when I sanded back the top, honestly, I was not expecting anything fantastic. I just thought it was just going to be a builder grade. And once I got done sanding it with all the different levels of sandpaper, it was just so smooth and so lovely. That stain was new. I just picked it up on a whim, and it has some grey undertones to it, and it's really pretty. I will be using that again for sure. We are temporarily moving to another location. During the summer, my job changes from housekeeper to waterfront director, lifeguard, and lifeguard instructor during the summer for a camp that's near us. And so we will be out there living on camp for about 2 months. I will be in a different location, so if you're wondering, where is she? That's where we are. My kids are super excited about it. So next week's piece will be in that place, and it is a bottom of a hutch that was donated to me by some friends who have moved out of state. I like this sanding outside business. Thank you very much, Adam and Amanda. So I hope to catch you guys on that video next week. Bye.